Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler town and country oil change indicator. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the run position. This is one click before actually starting the engine. Make sure the engine remains off. This initial step prepares your vehicle's computer for the reset sequence. It's a quick and simple action to begin the process. Next, with the ignition still in the run position, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. You need to complete these 3 presses within a 10-second time frame. Push the pedal all the way to the floor each time. This specific sequence signals the vehicle's system to reset the oil life monitor. You might see the light flash or turn off during this step. After you've depressed the accelerator pedal 3 times, turn the ignition completely off. Then, start your engine as you normally would. Check your dashboard to confirm that the oil change indicator light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. Performing regular oil changes is vital for maintaining your engine's health and ensuring its longevity. Always refer to your Chrysler Town and Country's Owner's Manual for the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and specifications. This ensures you're using the correct type of oil and adhering to the proper service schedule. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.